This is the PULUZ foldable LED ring light studio box. You can see here, this is essentially, it's designed to show off products for photography, to sell them or market them or whatever you're gonna do with them. It comes with the box, the USB for the ring light at the top, and then several backdrops. So let's put this together and I'll kind of show you how it works out. So here's all the backdrops, and then here's this cool carrying case. And so it's really easy to set up, and there are instructions too that you can follow, but I mean, it's super simple, and you'll figure it out just after watching this. So you can see, it's just a little box, folds up. It's actually upside down. All right, folds up, and then in this inside flap, you push this up and it creates its own little structure in there. And then you would just plug this into a computer or a phone charger brick or whatever. So I'm gonna go get one of those and plug it in and show you. So it's as simple as brick, power. And then so there's this little controller right here. So it has the increase, let's see. I'm gonna turn it on first. On the bottom one, turn it on, and then increase the brightness. And then once it gets to the max brightness, you can also change which rings are on there. So you can do just the inner ring, the outer ring, or both, depending on how much lighting you need. And then setting up the backdrops is as easy as sliding this in up here, and then it makes a seamless backdrop. You can see that. Another cool thing about it, so let's get these as a product. So I have coasters in there. So you can take a picture from the front, or also at the top, they have this little hole where you can stick your camera lens in here and you can take a picture of it there. Let me stick this back in here. All right. So I'll put some sample pictures of what it looks like with a couple different backgrounds so you can kind of see. So that's what you're seeing right now. This is the white. This is the blue. The red. The green. The black. And then the orangish tan. This product's really cool because it gives you a studio setting without having to have a big photography studio and a bunch of different equipment. It's all in one. It has the reflective sides to really bounce off the light evenly. It has the rolling backdrop that helps it feel seamless when you're taking your pictures from top or in the front. And then it also has the adjustable ring lights, and they're placed perfectly in the center. They're ring lights, so they have even distribution of lighting. You can choose you can choose a little light, a lot of light, medium light. I mean, overall, it's going to be a huge jump up from if you're just using nothing now. And I mean, really, you get the only limiting factor you have is the size of the box. So obviously, you can't put something bigger than the box in there. So I mean, this is great for smaller things, books, like little gadgets, anything like that that would fit in. It's about 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot cube. So anything that will fit in there, I mean, it's going to be comfortably photographed. But yeah, overall, the PULUZ photo light box is kind of blowing me away at the price point it is too. So I highly recommend this.